Hi guys, short video here about my experience with the Villey foldable camping table. This is actually just a screen recording, that's a voiceover, that's the video which I actually made, but I wanted to make a video about the video because it really was not a good experience. You can see me here already while trying to open the table. No matter what I did, I couldn't unlock this here, at least on one side. I really had to bring some tools to open the camping table. That's something which shouldn't be the case. And then also after that, especially when trying to expand the length here, you can see how much power it requires to extend the legs. That's something which should be easily just push in the button, then you should be able to extend it, but here it's super hard. I've never seen that like that. This is definitely not good quality. The problem was especially on this side here, but also a little bit on the other side, but definitely very disappointing. That should be a really easy thing, but it's not here with this camping table. And then also when putting down, you can see now when I push down on the table, you can see how it's moving. So the top here is really super soft. I mean, you can put a plate or so, or some drinks on top, but definitely not much. You can see it's almost like just like a foil or so. It's not a real tabletop, a hard tabletop or so. That's also quite disappointing. I mean, everything works more or less to open close, but it's definitely way too hard to open the table, way too hard to adjust the height, and the top is way too soft for my expectations. But of course, I'm not saying that you can't use it, but we just have too many problems here for my taste. This is what I want to let you know. If you have already bought and used it, would be really interesting to learn from you what you think about this foldable camping table. Please let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.